Today I would like to show you a new Apple machine, and its type is Brother machine from Brother company, and name is PT-200. When we look this equipment, it's look very nice, very compact, and we can see a CE for Europe production, and we can check the main features of this equipment. So we can see LCD display, also the tape cutter button, the rack, this is in German, but it means the print key. After that we have here an on-off key, and here is delete if we want to delete the text, and this key is for deleting. After that we can see here in caps key when we want to write in big alphabet, with big alphabet, and also we have here a space, and also code key. When we are holding this code key, we can press the desired function or symbol key to use the functions or to enter the symbols written in green. Yeah, so this button has this function. Okay, so we can try to print something together. So we can use this on off, and we can see here any text what we want to print. So now I can use delete key. We can check what okay, and now I can write something. For example, subscribe. Okay, I use this space key. Subscribe us. Okay, and what we do now, we now can use this print key. Yeah, we are waiting, and equipment is printing. Yeah, this subscribe us, and now we need the cutting this, so we use this cutter button. Okay, like this, and we can check, and please subscribe us, subscribe our channel. So it's very easy. Already we have inside the batteries. I will show you what kind of batteries that you can use and how much you need, and it's also possible to use the adapter if you haven't a battery. Yeah, so I can return on the next side, and I can try to open this. We have here I can open, and we can see that we have here a label cassette. It's 12 millimeters, and you have this holding for open it when you want to open it, and also you need 6 AAA batteries, like this, if you don't want to use the adapter. So I think it's all. Okay, we close this, and thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe us, and of course I need to turn off. Thank you, bye.